Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going.
What's going on, OC fam? So today I am going to make for you some barbecue pork baby back ribs, my style. So continue to watch. I hope y'all enjoy. We got garlic powder, onion powder, red pepper flakes is optional, it's up to you. Cajun seasoning, black pepper, some salt, cayenne pepper, your baby back ribs, an aluminum foiled pan, and let's not forget your barbecue sauce. This is the one I'm using today. I'm gonna adjust the flavors in it a little bit and make it my own. You use whichever one is good for you. So let's get to it. I didn't have these in the ingredients, but grab some garlic. Take your garlic out, a bunch of cloves. I'm gonna put all the ingredients in the recipe in the description below so you guys can look out for that. We're gonna put about 5 cloves of garlic straight in pieces. So we're gonna put a bunch of ginger into the water also. Now we're gonna put our spices. We're gonna put about a teaspoon of each spice, a teaspoon of this Cajun seasoning, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, some red pepper flakes, a teaspoon of cayenne, some black pepper, then let's put a teaspoon of salt. Let's mix it up. Make sure everything is good. If you want to taste it, you can taste it. Make sure it's flavored. It's spicy. I'm gonna add another teaspoon of salt. And maybe another teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. So that would be 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. Just stir once more. And let it boil. And then we'll stick the ribs in.
I met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know.
So before anything, we are going to take off this membrane, and then we're just gonna stick it in the water to boil.
He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that. I wanted to take it to the next level, cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from
There is our seasoned boiling water. let's add these ribs to it very carefully. Make sure it's all the way in. You're gonna let them boil for at least an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. Make sure they're in there. I'm gonna cover. Okay, so for our barbecue sauce for our ribs, we're gonna use our bottle of barbecue sauce. Put the whole bottle in a bowl.
Turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind.
Okay.
Lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let
I'm gonna put a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, only because I put, well, yeah, I put Cajun seasoning on the meat. So we're just gonna I don't want to overpower it with the Cajun seasoning. So let's put a teaspoon. I only got a little bit of garlic powder. I think that's about a tablespoon, maybe a teaspoon. Let's see. Yep, a teaspoon. So a little over a teaspoon. A teaspoon of onion powder.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust.
But I'm also gonna add a tablespoon of honey.
I hope there's some way I can make it alright. Cause I know that
And we're gonna make sure we get this all in.
much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm lost without you.
I'm gonna add another tablespoon of honey. Because I want it to be
What you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
Alright, so let's taste.
I've been
That's
so
pretty good.
selfish.
And I got a little kick to it too. Perfect. One more tablespoon of honey.
Good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you.
Alright, so begin with, we're gonna take, we already seasoned it, but
I just don't know what to do.
not bad. It does have some flavor. What we're gonna do, we're gonna add a little bit more Cajun seasoning to it. Just a tiny bit. Very lightly because the sauce has seasoning. And yeah, so this came out pretty good. Alright, just tap. You don't want to burn yourself. Let's turn it over. Mine's just ripped because it ripped while I was picking it up. Okay, so alright, that's it. Very lightly, you see. So now we are going to put our barbecue sauce that we had right on top. You start at the back, start at the front, doesn't matter. Make sure it gets all around. I don't have a brush. Use a spoon. Let's turn this one over. So make it get the other side. soggy soft. I don't know, I like to have a crisp edge to mine. So what we're gonna do is we are going to take these ribs. Let's check if they're stuck in the bottom. No, they're not. It's good, it's perfect. We are gonna add some more sauce to this.
Can you wash away the tears of yesterday? Will you guide me on the path that I must follow? Can you take my fears away? Take my fears
They done now. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 of them. So I'm gonna cut 3 or 2 and 2. Right down the middle. 2 ribs. Right. 1, 2. Beautiful. There it is, y'all. Barbecue baby back ribs. Mrs. OC style. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until my next video. I hope y'all enjoy, OC fam.